Attention all citizens, this is an emergency information broadcast regarding the sudden and unexplained loss of contact with official branches of European countries. It has been determined that all individuals within these areas have gone missing. The cause of this phenomenon is currently unknown and is under investigation by our government. We understand that this news is alarming and may cause concern and uncertainty. However, we urge all citizens to remain calm and not to panic. The government is taking all necessary measures to establish contact with the affected areas and to determine the cause of this event. In the meantime, we advise all citizens to stay informed by tuning into official channels of communication and to follow any instructions provided by local authorities. We also advise citizens to be with their families and to take steps to ensure the safety and security of their loved ones. We recommend that all citizens take the following actions. Stay informed by tuning into official channels of communication and following any instructions provided by local authorities. Be with your family and ensure the safety and security of your loved ones. Avoid non-essential travel to the affected areas until further notice. If you have loved ones in the affected areas, please contact the appropriate authorities for assistance. Monitor the situation closely and be prepared to take action if necessary. The government is taking the following actions to address this situation. Establishing contact with the affected areas and determining the cause of this event. Providing updates and instructions through official channels of communication. Coordinating with international partners to address this situation. Mobilizing resources and personnel to assist in the response efforts. Providing support and assistance to affected families. We understand that this is a concerning and uncertain time, but we assure you that the government is taking all necessary steps to address this situation and to ensure the safety and security of our citizens. As more information becomes available, we will provide updates through official channels of communication. We ask for your patience and cooperation as we work to determine the cause of this event and to restore communication and contact with the affected areas. The cause of this phenomenon could be a number of things, including a natural disaster, a technological malfunction, or a terrorist attack. However, at this time, it is too early to determine the exact cause and we advise citizens not to speculate or spread misinformation. We want to remind citizens that our top priority is the safety and security of our citizens. We will continue to monitor the situation closely and will provide updates as they become available. Thank you for your attention.
This is an emergency broadcast message from the Survivors Union. It's clear that something has wiped out the majority of humanity. We don't know what happened, but we do know that we are some of the lucky ones still alive. We're talking to you because you're one of the survivors we've been able to reach. We were able to reach you because of transmission station nearby. We are not sure how long this station will remain active, so listen careful. We're directing all survivors to make your way to a designated meeting location at the London airport. This is the only known location where survivors have congregated, and it's our best chance for survival. We understand that this may be a difficult and dangerous journey, but it's of the utmost importance that you make your way to this location as soon as possible. We know that the journey to the London airport may be treacherous, and that you must be prepared for anything. Gather any supplies and resources that you may need for the journey, including food, water, shelter, and protection. And for the love of God, travel in groups. The more of us that make it to the airport, the better our chances of survival. Please be advised that this is not drill, this is not joke. This is real. Stay safe, and we'll see you at the airport.
This is an automated weekly weather report broadcast from a nearby weather station. Based on current data, the forecast for the coming week is as follows. Monday, unavailable. Tuesday, unavailable. Wednesday, unavailable. Thursday, unavailable. Friday, unavailable. Saturday, unavailable. Sunday, unavailable. This is a critical weather alert. Automated systems will function to ensure your survival. Do not expect any human assistance. Government is unable to provide further information at this time. This is an automated weather report broadcast. No human assistance is available. This is an automated weekly weather report.
I am currently located at a weather station and have been able to access the equipment to send this transmission. The current situation is dire as it appears that all human populations have suddenly disappeared. I have been unable to make contact with any other survivors and am uncertain of the number of people still alive. I have been able to patch together a temporary system to send this transmission, but it is uncertain how long it will remain operational. I am broadcasting this message in the hope that any other survivors in the area may hear it and make their way to this station. I am in possession of limited resources and am doing my best to survive, but I desperately need any help and companionship. If you are able to receive this transmission, please make your way to the nearest weather station immediately and activate the emergency beacon. I will do my best to come to your aid. This is a desperate plea for help. Please, if anyone is out there, come to this station. Together we may have a chance of survival.
This is an emergency broadcast from a survivor. No further transmissions are expected.